So now, let's have another example. 20 is equals to 5 n minus 4 plus 5 n plus 10. So in this equation, we can apply distributive property. All we have to do is to distribute first before adding it. So 20 is equals to 5 times n is equals to 5n minus 5 times 4 is equals to 20 plus 5 times n is equals to 5n plus 5 times 10 is equals to 50. So we just add those numbers who have the same variable. So 20 is equals to 5n plus 5n is equals to 10n. So negative 20 plus positive 50 is equals to positive 30. So now, we will apply inverse property. So 10n is equals to, so always remember that when we apply inverse property, the negative will become positive and the positive will become negative. So 30 minus 20 so negative 10n equals to 30 minus 20 so is equals to 10. So in order to get the value of n, we will divide both by negative 10. Okay, negative 10, negative 10. So therefore our n now is equals to negative 1. So now, let's have another example. 4n plus 5n plus 15 is equals to 5n plus 7n. Now, let's add those numbers who have the same variable. 4n plus 5n is equals to 9n plus 15 is equals 5n plus 7 is equals to 12n. So 9n, we will apply inverse property here. 9n minus 12n is equals to negative 15. So 9n minus negative 12 is equals to negative 3n is equals to negative 15. So in order to get the value of n, we will divide both by negative 3. So, negative 15 minus negative 3, it will become positive 5.
So now let's have our next equation. Negative 36 is equals to 6 times 2 minus 8n. So in this equation, we will applying distributive property. So negative 36 is equals to 12 minus 48n. So now, we will combine like terms in order to get the n. So we have 48 is equals to 12 plus 36. So we have 48n is equals to 48. 12 plus 36 equals to 48. So we will divide 48 divided by 48 and 48 divided by 48. So our n is equals to 1.
So our next equation is negative 9 plus 4r is equals to 4r minus 3 minus 6. So since negative 3 and negative 6 has the same sign, we will add them. So negative 9 plus 4r is equals to 4r. The negative 3 and negative 6 will become negative 9. So now let's apply inverse property. So we will combine those number who have like or the same term. So 4r minus 4r is equals to 9 minus 9. So 4r minus 4r is equals to 0, and 9 minus 9 is equals to 0.
Our next equation is 6x minus 2x plus 8 equals x plus 5. Now, we combine like terms. 6x minus 2x is equals to 4x plus 8 equals x plus 5. Then, we apply inverse property. Now, we have 4x minus x equals 5 minus 8. We combine like terms again. 4x minus x is equals 3x. 5 minus 8 is equals to negative 3. So now we divide positive 3 on both sides. So therefore, our x is equals negative 1.
So now let's have another equation. Negative 6x minus 6x is equals to 12. So since they have the same sign, so we will add negative 12x is equals to 12. So we will apply inverse property. Negative 12x minus negative 12x, then 12 divided by negative 12. So our x is equals to negative 1.